Hi everyone, it's Gail. I am here with a quick video to show you the new kit that I have put on my Etsy. It is my painted papers, my mixed media, little painted papers, and I had several requests to turn these into a kit. So I actually had enough that I could do two kits. So I just wanted to thumb through them and show you. So this is kit 1 here, and both of these kits are blues, turquoise, some green, some rust. So that kind of gives you an idea of the colors. I don't know, like that looks yellow to me on my camera, but it's a kind of a, what would you call it? A spring green. So let me just thumb through these and show you. So these be awesome for collage, of course. They'd be fun as pages in a journal as well. But I also think they'd be a lot of fun if you're an art journaler to tear up and use in your art journal as well. Let me kind of zero in. I love this part right here and this. So, you know, you can see you could tear these up and do some fun things with them. I probably won't have time before I go on my little trip, but I will come back and do some projects with these as well. This is the second kit. So kit 1, and then this is the second kit. Again, it's really continuing the theme of those papers. It's so funny. I feel like this one belongs this way. Isn't that funny? You can see this one has some reds and yellows in them as well. So these are the painty papers. So painted papers kit 1 and kit 2. When this video goes up, they will be live in my Etsy store, Cinnamon Tea, and I'll put the link below. Thank you so much for checking them out. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.